Hello everybody. I had a look around on YouTube, but I couldn't find anyone that's done this filament change, so I thought I would do a quick video on how I swap filament mid-print without stopping or pausing. As you can see here, I've already done a filament change last night on my Ender 3 because I was afraid that the black filament I was using would run out during the night. Now, I want to use up the rest of the black filament, so I'm now going to swap it back whilst I'm still printing. This is very easy, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know about this already. So I simply turn down the print speed as low as it can go, in my case down to 10% speed, and then I wait for the print to slow down. Once the print speed has slowed down, I then cut the filament that I'm going to be swapping over to, and in my case, as you can see, I managed to screw it up, so I have to cut it twice. Then I pull the blue filament out and insert the black reasonably quick. You have a window of time here due to the remaining filament that's in the hot end, and your mileage may vary, and I'm not sure how long you can procrastinate for here. But I would say if you can do a filament change in about 5 to 20 seconds, there'll be no visible signs of the swap. You can of course also do it, like in my case, when the hot end is printing over a support structure, to be even more sure that it won't affect your parts. Once the new filament is inserted, I simply crank up the print speed again to what it was. No marks, no blobs, no blemishes, no problem. As you can see, it's looking good, and I'm happy with that. I'm printing parts for the Mandalorian helmet, so the color change doesn't matter, as I'll be sanding and painting it later. I'm using PETG here, but the same principle applies for other filaments. Hope this might be helpful or interesting for you. Over and out.